It's bedtime.
Now, I had a problem with bedtime.
Michael, it's time for bed.
Michael, it's bed. Why do people pick it up?
Michael, I know you're there.
I'm not. She says, what are you talking about? Take me for stupid? Now go to bed.
I think this is really brilliant.
She thinks I'm going upstairs. Upstairs, into the bathroom, shut the door, and
Yeah.
it was time to muck about. Plug in, taps on, flick water at the mirror. Yes. Yeah.
Here comes Longbottom with the Longbottom, and here comes Shorty Bum. Shorty Bum's closing on Longbottom, and here comes Longbottom and Long...
Oh, yeah, sorry, Mum, I was just looking for the flannel.
A little brush in the water.
Into a special jar.
of shaving soap.
Now, I
Loved.
this shaving soap. If you held it up to the light,
It was all twinkly.
and then if you prodded it... Hey! I'm drilling for oil, yeah!
Hey,
You can't see the hole from the outside.
Buried treasure.
Michael! What's the silly singing going on? Oh, yeah, I was just glad I found the flannel. Right, quick, wash the face, clean the teeth.